Welcome back, YouTube. We're going to do another video today. Now we are installing the JPMCarbon side skirts for the Lexus RC350. So what we're going to do is put these on. These are a single piece carbon fiber kit, one for each side. And what we're going to do today is take off the cheap $20 eBay ones and throw these more expensive, higher quality, legit carbon on there. Should be a quick install. Ideally, there's about 5 mounting points. Each would need to be screwed in at some point, as well as double-sided tape. So what you need for this is double-sided 3M tape, small drill bit, preferably small enough for your screws, and a drill. Also, a pair of jack stands to lift the car, low-profile jack depending on how low your car is, and safety and security just to make sure that nobody gets hurt in the process of doing this. Alright, here we go. Now we got the car on jack stands. We're going to take off this horrible carbon fiber. The little $30 kit from eBay, something that you do not want to buy. I repeat, do not buy that and waste your money. Instead, spend a little bit more money, get quality parts, have a better quality product. Poured plastic, paint's chipping off of it. It's a mess. Alright, now we're gonna get the 3M tape, run it along this flat line right here, across, which will mount underneath the RC. We've already gone ahead and drilled holes for the mounting screws, so let's add the double-sided tape. Go from there. Alright, let's try and find a good fitment, so that way everything touches in the front and sits well in the back. So ideally I have something like this. Only issue that I'm seeing will be this back part towards the rear tire. Alright, so we got the screw placement there. Screw there. And a few more as you go down. But basically, he did that. So I had to add a few extra screws just for fitment, because there was a slight gap. There was a slight gap in here. And now it looks a little bit flush, looks a little bit better. And this is the completed project. Now we're going to show with the carbon diffuser that we put in last episode. Now we have the side skirts to match. So I'm also giving away a pair of eBay skirts. These are actually brand new in box. The cheaper ones, the little $20 ones that I was speaking of. Never used, had them to replace the ones that were peeling. Decided, hey, I'm just gonna go spend the money on the actual carbon kit. And then also, I will have the ones that I pulled off the Lexus. Also giving these away. So these will be less work. If you want to get these, all you have to do is comment on the video below. Say, I want the skirts. And if you want the brand new ones, you have to comment, like, and subscribe, and say death by 4. A little bit more work. So older skirts, say I want the skirts. Newer skirts, brand new, say death by 4 in the comments. You have to be a subscriber and you have to like the video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.